We're rolling with Ruben this morning in our 1991 Ford F350 4x4 ex-Park Service fire rig. .460 5-speed
with overdrive.
There we go. 21,611 miles or so at the moment. 7.5 liters for you metric heads. Front disc brakes. Big drums in the back. Oh, bless you, Ruben. Ruben's enjoying. We got the vent window crack, also called the smoker window, which in this truck, it was never a smoker's window. However, being that it was a fire rig, if you opened it, you might get some smoke coming in. What a nice solid truck. Another smooth shift by Cupcake. You learned to drive on a stick shift or manual shift when you were, what, 15?
Yes, I did.